Just do it, do it, do it.
Ron, where are you?
I'm in a glass case of emotion!
Watashi胸キュンしてね
Jizz in my pants.
Holy shit on a shit sandwich, except hold the shit.
日本語を教えますね。私に胸キュンしてね。
What the f?
Wow
Right, Yanni or Laurel, huh? Let me take a listen here.
おすすめのメニュー
What?
おすすめのメニュー
I heard Laurel.
Finally, I get time to shine. I feel like the other members are getting too good at this stuff. The worst is Cindy. You can't dance like a god, sing like an angel, and look as pretty as that. It's my job.
Hey Skeletor, bit of career advice. Maybe don't treat your boss like she's a toddler playing in traffic. She can take care of herself just fine.
What did you call me?
Oh, not a fan of that one? I have others. How about... You look like Benjamin Button fucked an old catcher's mitt, like 4 inches of face stretched over 12 inches of skull. Like a moldy jack-o'-lantern some frat guy barfed in and then crushed against his forehead because he was super drunk, thought it was a beer can, and immediately regretted every single life choice he ever made.
Enough! How dare you mock me in such a manner?
I'm sitting in the TARDIS now, and I'm going to wind up soon, but not before I make a few strange noises with my mouth that will go somewhere along the lines of bingle bongle, dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy too ta. Dirty mind, dirty mind, dirty mind.
Yo, look at us being the most fucking sexy and beautiful things in the world, and all we are doing is standing here. I gotta say, we look the best this comeback. No need to say anything, Yunha. Just look pretty and smile for the guys out there.